Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a plastic mallet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket provides an airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause the door to not close completely, a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, or ice buildup on the freezer interior. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Before removing the old door gasket, I recommend you to see if the new one would be perfectly fitting in the spot. Let's check. Yes, we're at luck. So we're going to pull out the old gasket and then we're going to install the new one. To remove the old gasket, I'm going to pull it as far as it goes, and then I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to insert it and pry the old gasket out. From here, I'm going to pull it manually. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the gasket with this edge at the back of it into this groove here on the door. Before installing the gasket, make sure that the groove is clean. If it's greasy, use the soapy water and the sponge to clean it. And also dry it before installation of the gasket. Now we're going to start with the top corners. I'm going to press in the edge. Press it hard, you will feel how this is going in. And I'm going to go to the sides. After we install the top corners and the top surface, I'm going to pull down on the gasket to stretch it. But be reasonable, don't break it apart. And then I'm going to install the bottom corners and the bottom portion of the gasket. You may have a problem with inserting the corners. In case if you do, use a plastic hammer or mallet and punch it in. Okay, now I'm going to open this door and close this door, and look how the gasket fits. All right, perfect. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.